Welcome back to the machine learning session, everyone. So we were creating our capstone project. In the capstone project, we have selected that we are going to help HR and we are going to help a company to retain their employees. And we have seen why it is important to retain the employees. Retaining employees means that you are actually helping the company to save the cost of recruiting the people, or you can say the training, orientation, each and every aspect. So we are being good Samaritan. Today, it was all about how you are going to create the data set by putting each and every code together. And that is what we are trying in today's session. In the previous session, we have understood each and every detail, बारीक से बारीक इंफॉर्मेशन कि आप इस कैपस्टोन प्रोजेक्ट में क्या करोगे, कैसे करोगे और किस मॉडल को यूज करोगे। ये एक कैपस्टोन प्रोजेक्ट है जो कि बिगिनर फ्रेंडली है बिल्कुल। आप इसमें एक एक चीज को नोटिस कर सकते हो, आप कहाँ पे किस एमएल मॉडल को यूज कर रहे हो, नमपाई का क्या रोल है, पांडास का क्या रोल है, मैटप्लॉटलिब क्या करेगा, सीबोन लाइब्रेरी क्या करेगा, scikit-learn आप कहाँ पे यूज करोगे, रैंडम फॉरेस्ट को किस तरीके से यूज कर रहे हो। सो उन सारी चीजों को आप यूज करके इस मॉडल को आप क्रिएट करोगे। हम अपना डेटा सेट भी खुद ही क्रिएट करेंगे, जो कि डेटा सेट होगा 500 एम्प्लॉयज का। और उन 500 एम्प्लॉयज का डेटा सेट हम लेके उस डेटा सेट के अंदर मल्टी वेरिएंट्स को हम लेंगे, जो कि मल्टीपल आपके इनपुट्स होंगे। जैसे कि आपका मल्टीपल इनपुट्स में एज होगा, जेंडर होगा, ईयर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस एट कंपनी होगा, जॉब रोल होगा, मंथली इनकम होगी उसकी, ओवर टाइम या वो बंदा ओवर टाइम करता है या नहीं करता, जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन, वो एम्प्लॉय अपनी जॉब से सेटिस्फाइड है या नहीं है, एज वेल एज वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, कि एक वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस है या नहीं है, वेदर दे आर हैप्पी, दे आर पुटिंग इन टाइम, दे आर गिविंग टाइम टू देमसेल्व्स और नॉट। सो कंसिडरिंग ये सारी चीजें कंसिडर करते हुए हम अपने एक डेटा सेट को प्रिपेयर करेंगे, क्रिएट करेंगे। लास्ट क्लास में हमने डेटा सेट खुद क्रिएट करके, मैंने अपनी तरफ से डेटा सेट को पहले ही क्रिएट करके रखा हुआ है, और वो डेटा सेट हमने विजुअलाइज किया था कि उस डेटा सेट के अंदर कोई डिपेंडेंसी है या नहीं है। और हमने देखा था कि अगर सारे जो भी फीचर्स हैं, उन फीचर्स के अंदर से भी दो रिस्क फीचर्स, कोई भी दो रिस्क फीचर्स, जो क्योंकि ये सारे जो फीचर्स हम इनपुट में डालेंगे ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट है, अगर इनमें से कोई भी एक चीज पॉसिबल नहीं है, मींस एम्प्लॉय हैप्पी नहीं है, it means there are chances that the person is going to resign, they can leave। so हमने वो डिपेंडेंसीज देखी थी, हमने वो डिपेंडेंसीज निकाली थी सॉर्टिंग और फिल्टरिंग के तरीके से। तो हमने उस तरीके से जाना था कि हाँ, इस डेटा को हम यूज कर सकते हैं, इस डेटा से हमें जो डेटा और जो आउटपुट हमारे पास आएगा, जो मॉडल हमारा वर्किंग करेगा, दैट इज गोइंग टू वर्क रियली गुड, और उसी को हम आज यूज करेंगे। सो लेट्स क्विकली गेट स्टार्टेड कि हम डेटा सेट कैसे प्रिपेयर करेंगे, किस तरीके से हम उसको जनरेट करेंगे। ओके, सो यहाँ पे मैं इसको क्लोज करूंगी, यहाँ पे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। सो हमारा आज का टॉपिक है, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द टाइटल टॉपिक ओवर हियर ऑल्सो। टॉपिक जनरेट डेटा सेट। हम आज यहाँ पे जनरेट करेंगे डेटा सेट। नाउ यहाँ पे जी, अब हम अपना लाइन ऑफ कोड लिखेंगे। पहला हम लिखेंगे import इंपोर्ट pandas एंड numpy, हमने दोनों को इंपोर्ट किया है। उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, np डॉट random डॉट speed, और ये हम करेंगे 42, द वे वी हैव डन इन द प्रीवियस क्लास। यहाँ पे हम रोज को डिफाइन करेंगे क्योंकि हमें कितने एम्प्लॉयज चाहिए, हमें 500 एम्प्लॉयज चाहिए, देयरफॉर हमारा जो एन होना चाहिए वो क्या होना चाहिए, 500 होना चाहिए। हमने यहाँ पे एन को डिफाइन कर दिया है। अब हम एक डेटा फ्रेम को क्रिएट करेंगे जिसमें यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें x1 x2 x3 दीज आर फीचर्स। यहाँ पे n1 n2 n3 की जगह पे आप क्या डालोगे, फीचर्स डालोगे, जैसे एज, जेंडर, ईयर्स। सो लेट्स क्विकली गेट स्टार्टेड। हम एक डेटा फ्रेम क्रिएट करेंगे, pd डॉट डेटा फ्रेम, और यहाँ पे हम अपनी डिटेल्स को ऐड करना स्टार्ट करेंगे। वेट अ मिनट, यहाँ पे 9 नहीं होना चाहिए, इट शुड बी अ ब्रैकेट, या, और यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट क्लोज, बीच में हम रख के एंटर कर देंगे, और इसके बीच में हम एट्रीब्यूट्स को ऐड करेंगे। तो हमारा पहला एट्रीब्यूट है एज। एज आपने क्रिएट की, एज को क्रिएट करके आप लिखोगे np डॉट रैंडम डॉट रैंड int, मीन्स रैंड इंट आप लोगे एंड 22 से लेके 60 एज ग्रुप तक, और कितने रोज आपको चाहिए, एंड रोज तक। ठीक है, उसके बाद आप इसको एंटर कर दोगे। आई एम गोइंग टू फर्स्ट आई राइट द कोड, स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैं सारे कोड को आपको एक्सप्लेन करके बताऊंगी कि किस कोड में हमने क्या पैरामीटर्स एंटर किए हैं। ठीक है, अब हम यहाँ पे आते हैं, हम सेकंड डालेंगे अपना। सेकंड हमारा जो आएगा दैट इज गोइंग टू बी जेंडर, और हमारा जेंडर यहाँ पे होगा डॉट np डॉट रैंडम डॉट चॉइस। ये एक चॉइस के फॉर्मेट में हम डालेंगे, और चॉइस हमारी क्या होंगी, मेल, make sure that you are going to keep it in this so that the same way it is going to reflect, okay, and that also in n. Okay, now we are going to move to the next attribute, or you can say next feature, that is going to be yours at company. All right, or you can make sure that you are not going to give any gaps in that, because these are all your attributes, otherwise it is going to show you an error. So either you write in this way, np dot random, और यहाँ पे भी आप चॉइस रखेंगे, ये भी चॉइस की फॉर्म में होगा आपका कि आप किस पोस्ट पे हैं, HR, सेल्स, R&D। ठीक है, R&D, या IT है आपकी फील्ड, या फाइनेंस है। राइट, अब आपको इनमें क्या करना है, आपको इनको कोट्स के अंदर डालना है, otherwise it is going to be an issue because these all are in a list form. So आप लिस्ट में एक array create कर रहे हैं, and you are going to keep each and every part like this. I hope whatever I am explaining that is being taken care. Or last में once you are done with that, you are going to press N. So this is done. Now the next part which you are going to take, that is going to be job role. So you are going to take this and you are going to type job role. And in job role, you are again going to put np dot random dot choice. Job role, years of experience. I think I have taken this because this is going to be the job role. Control X, Control B, यहाँ पे years of experience में आप क्या करोगे, np dot random dot rand int, and you are going to put 0, 20 and n. All right. So this is like 0 से लेके 20 years तक आपका years at company हो सकता है, right? So this is what you are going to put, and you are going to put a comma. Now we are going to create the next one, that is going to be monthly income. And I'm going to take monthly income over here, dot np dot random, and monthly income में भी हम rand int लेंगे, and that is going to be from 3,000 till 20, or you can say 50,000. All right. And you are going to put n over here. So these factors we have created. Now we are left with 4. So that is what we will be creating. Now the next is going to be overtime. Make sure the O is capital, otherwise it will be an issue. होगा नहीं कोई issue, but अगर आप इसको रखेंगे तो ज़्यादा better रहेगा. Overtime is also random dot choice, and that choice is going to be either yes or no. All right, so you are going to keep either yes or no. In these formats you are going to keep, whether you wanted to do it or you don't want to do it, and that you are going to convert it in 0 and 1 form, and then you are going to put p is equals to 0.3 and 0.7. It means 30 and 70 ratio. Okay. Now, once you are done with overtime, now job satisfaction. Job satisfaction. We are going to keep this np dot random dot rand int, and there you are going to keep 1, 5, 1 to 5 and n. All right, for n numbers. Now work-life balance. Again, we are going to do the same thing, np dot random dot rand int, that also 1 to 5 and n. All right. So all the last 3 you are going to keep the same. This is going to be training times last year. And same, I'm going to press tab because the same thing you are going to do. Performance rating, we don't want to take, so you can just delete this. So this is what we have created. Now I'm going to explain each and every part of it, like why we have taken, what we have taken. So each column which is going to be generated with it. So age with we have taken random integer from 22 to 60. Gender we have taken as a choice in male and female. Years at company, which is random tenure from 0 to 20 years. That is what we have taken. Job role is basically the department, whether you are in sales department, you are in HR department, you are in R&D department, or you are in IT or finance, which department you are in. Therefore, after that, there is monthly income, which is random salary from 3,000 to 50,000. All right. And then there is overtime, which is basically more employees. I have like taken more employees are going to be chosen with no then yes. That is what we have taken over time. So over here, you can see positives are 0.3, rest 0.7 are with no. So that is what we have catered over here. If you are going to see this particular code, all right. So P is equals to 0.3 and 0.7, which I have given. That is 30 means yes, 0.7 means 70% no. So this is what it means. Job satisfaction is basically that we have also taken yes or no form, which is 1 means low and 4 means high, or 5 means high. Work-life balance is also same. Time last year timing, which is random count from 0 to 5. So these are all attributes which we have taken while creating this particular code. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to create a rule-based logic for target. So let's quickly do that. I'm going to do, and I'm going to create this as a step, rule-based logic for target. So what exactly is the rule which we are going to create? It means if I am going to take off, like if there are two attributes at risk, it means you are going to provide the attrition as one. It means the person is going to leave. So as we have discussed, the same thing we are going to do. The more we are going to do it on code, you will understand that. So we are going to take the attrition inside it. Attrition is basically our target, right? So that is what we are creating. And the rule for it is going to be df dot or df overtime. I'm going to call upon overtime. Overtime यहाँ से आप इसको delete कर दो because हमें एक ही बार चाहिए. Overtime is equals to yes. Then AS अगर ये वाला टाइप है, as टाइप का मतलब क्या होता है? If this is the type, int plus, now we are going to concatenate. अगर ये है उसके साथ df और हम रखेंगे जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन को साथ में. जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन is equals to we are going to keep less than is equals to 2. As I'm going to give it a little space so that it won't show error. 2 dot as t by p as type int. Is this okay? It should not be equals to int. Then yes, again we are going to concatenate. Right now we are creating a condition कि क्या क्या favorable condition होना चाहिए. Next हम लेंगे work-life balance. We have not taken work-life balance, like work-life balance. So basically we have taken work-life balance over here. Now this work-life balance is going to do what? This work-life balance, we are going to take either yes or no. The same thing over here, what we have done. So I'm going to just simply copy it, Control C, and I'm going to paste over here, Control V, and I'm going to take it off. Now the next which we are going to take, df, this, and your set company, if your set company is less than 3, अगर कोई 3 साल से कम कंपनी के अंदर है, definitely they are more likely to leave. So that is also we are going to take. So we are going to take less than, basically less than 3. All right. So this is what we are going to take. If they are less than 3, we are going to put out as type int. All right. This you are going to delete. के बाद आप लगा दो इसको. Yeah. And that's it. So this is going to be the condition because these are the factors which are going to provide, you can say, an overview of what attrition is going to be changed upon. And then you are going to put df attrition is equals to df, again attrition. This you are going to call upon. अगर attrition हमारे ऐसे फैक्टर्स से, रिस्क वाले फैक्टर्स से प्रभावित है 2 या 2 से ज्यादा, बेसिकली 2 से ज्यादा, सो वी आर गोइंग टू पुट इज इक्वल्स टू 2 या 2 से ज्यादा, then as type type int. So what we are going to do, it is going to make it as df dot to CSV. अब हम इसको सेव कर देंगे. ठीक है. और यहाँ पे हमें एक और चीज करनी है. इंडेक्स इज इक्वल्स टू false. Once you are done with that, you are going to put df dot head. So this is the entire code. It's as simple, very, very simple, right? So basically हमने इस लाइन में क्या किया है, यहाँ पे जो हमने ये वाली लाइन लिखी है, इसमें हमने इसको 0 और 1 में कन्वर्ट किया है. यहाँ पे हमने इन सबको 0 और 1 में कन्वर्ट किया है और बेसिकली इन सब से बेसिस, इन सब से कन्वर्ट और डिपेंडेंट होके हमने एट्रिशन को, अब यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि हमने रूल बनाया है एट्रिशन को बनाने का. हमने एट्रिशन को डायरेक्टली नहीं बनाया है रेंडमली, क्योंकि अगर हम डायरेक्टली रेंडमली एट्रिशन को क्रिएट कर देते तो हमारा मॉडल यहीं पे फेल हो जाता. So what we have done, we have created by putting the dependency of overtime, job satisfaction, work-life balance and years at company. क्योंकि इन तीनों, इन्हीं चारों चीजों का रिस्क फैक्टर बनेगा और प्रभाव पड़ेगा. So that is what we will be doing. So let's quickly get started. And this time what we are going to do, we are going to create our data set and I'm going to show you how you are going to put the data set in that. आप उसको सेव कैसे करोगे और आप उसको यूज कैसे करोगे. So let's quickly run it and let's quickly see how this data set is going to look like. So I'm going to run it. यहाँ पे okay, spell error, random. Make sure that you don't have any error before you run that. So I'm going to run now. It shows one error, company time less than, okay, then as type int. Okay, I'm going to run again. Your set company. Let me see what exactly is the error. Your set company, your set company. Okay. What I have created, it is okay. It's not your set company like this. I have written your set company like this. So I'm going to completely copy it and paste it over here. Right now it is not going to show this error. I'm going to run it again. Now you can see. So over here, it is like you can create visuals also. These are categorical distributions. Can you see that? Over here, you need not to go to that sheet. Over here itself, you can create these distributions. These are categorical distributions. These are 2D distribution. These are time series. These are values. And these are categorical distribution, which is in 0 and 1. So all these features, what importance they are going to provide, all these you can get over here. This is basically the significance of using Google Colab, because Google Colab is one such platform which provides you this particular, visuals, these particular types. Or if you want, you can take that into table also, in table form also. Now, if you are going to click onto this folder, as you can see over here, employee attrition data. So what you can do, you can just click onto it and you can download it in your system also to run more analysis in it. Suppose you don't want to create code today. So what you can do, you can download from here and you can create your code little later. So these are all things which you can do while you are creating your data, right? So let's quickly revise what we have done in this particular segment. So I'm going to quickly revise each and every step and why we have taken that. I'm going to take you at the top. So over here, we have generated the data set by using pandas and NumPy. We have first of all taken the seed of like 42 to stabilize the data random. All right, we have taken number of rows over here, number of rows 500. That means 500 employees we have taken. So we have created a data frame in which we have kept, these are all headers: age, genders, years at company, job role, monthly income, overtime, job satisfaction, work-life balance, and training times last year. So these are all things which we have considered, which we have taken. Based on that, we have provided that how it is going to create, how a computer is going to create the data. So basically, computer is going to create the data by using random rand int for the age, random choice for male and female. Yours at company is random rand int 0 to 20, 0 to 20 years तक कोई भी. Or job role is going to be HR, sales, R&D, IT, finance. You can add your choice, your company things. If you have any, you can change it. Okay. Play around with the data. क्योंकि अगर आप अपना डेटा यहाँ पे डालोगे तो आई थिंक आपको ज्यादा अच्छे से क्लैरिटी आएगी. फिर उसके बाद हमने मंथली इनकम लिया है. मंथली इनकम में भी हमने रैंडम और रैंड को यूज किया है 3000 और 50,000 के बीच का 500 रोज के लिए. ओवर टाइम हमने लिया है यस और नो के फॉर्म में, जिसमें हमने यस को 30% रखा है और नो को हमने 70% रखा है. जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन हमने 1 to 5 के बीच में डाला है. 5 being the highest means excellent, 1 being the poor. Therefore, work-life balance also we have kept, जिसमें हमारा 1 जो है वो poor है, 5 being the highest. And हमने training time last year same randint हमने लिया है 0 to 5 के बीच में. और उसके बाद हमने एक रूल क्रिएट किया है एट्रिशन को बनाने के लिए, जिसमें हमने दिखाया है कि एट्रिशन किन किन रिस्क फैक्टर से प्रभावित है, जिसमें ओवर टाइम है, जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन है, वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस है और इयर्स ऑफ कंपनी है. अगर ये सारे लेस देन 2 है तो हमारा एट्रिशन जो आएगा वो 1 आएगा, अदरवाइज वो 0 होगा. इस चीज को केटर करते हुए हमने एट्रिशन को क्रिएट किया है. सो हमने एट्रिशन में रखा है अगर लेस देन इज इक्वल्स टू 2 है किसी में भी, तो वहां पे वो 1 आ जाए, और इसको हमने 0 और 1 में इस पर्टिकुलर लाइन से कंसिडर किया है, कन्वर्ट किया है. उसके बाद हमने अपने डेटा फ्रेम को CSV में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है और उसको सेव कर दिया है, एज यू कैन सी विद दिस, right? So this was all about today's session. I hope you have enjoyed it. With this, we are going to create our ML model using random forest classification in the next class. So stay tuned and keep learning, because this is going to be a very, very important task for all of you. This capstone project is going to give you an overview how a company works and how as an HR you are going to create a job satisfaction kind of app for your employees. So stay tuned everyone and keep learning. We'll see you in the next class where we are going to create an ML model, a prediction model for job satisfaction. Thank you everyone.